question asks us to consider the concerted nature of the epoxide formation reaction and to hypothesize what would happen if step 2 were not concerted and this were really more of a stepwise process. If this were more of a stepwise process and this step 2 were slow, then there could be free rotation around this bond. If there could be free rotation around this bond, then this methyl group, this carbocation, could rotate before the epoxide attacks. So the epoxide forms. So if we draw that in, then we could have a rotation around that bond, which would put the methyl group on this side and the carbocation on the other side. Our final product then, after we do this final deprotonation, I'm just going to jump to the final product. Our final product then would be a mixture of stereoisomers for our epoxide, where we would have the epoxide with both bonds on a wedge and an epoxide where one bond is on a wedge and one bond is on a dash. Because we don't see this, we know there must not be free rotation around this bond, which means the epoxide formation process must be a concerted process.